Hello guys, my name is Lalit Siraswa. Today I am going to introduce about Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is a high-level programming language with applications in numerous areas, including web programming, scripting, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. High-level programming language basically refers to the language which is directly understandable by the programmer. Its syntax are very easy, just like English language. Okay, it is very popular and used by organizations such as Google, NASA, CIA, and Disney. And in my upcoming videos, I am going to discuss about the following topics: basic concepts, control structure, function and module, exception and files, functional programming, object-oriented programming, and the last one is regular expression. Thank you and have a good day.